Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to activate Google Assistant on Motorola Edge Plus. Firstly, go into Settings, tap on the search bar and search up Assistant. Then go into Assistant Settings, scroll a bit down and go into General. Now make sure that this button is blue, and that means the Google Assistant is enabled. And now to activate it, you can either hold the home button, just tap on the up icon, hold the home power button. No, it doesn't work, it's not activated. And if you have gestures set up as the navigation of your device, you can just pull from one of the bottom corners to the top, so you have to make a gesture like this. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.